Adding high-protein, low-carb snacks can be a powerful strategy for faster weight loss. These snacks not only help you feel fuller for longer, but they also offer several other great benefits that contribute to successful weight management. So watch this entire video as we will give you both the good snacks and the snacks you may want to avoid. I can all but guarantee that at least 3 of these snacks are going to surprise you by their nutritional value or lack of. When choosing high-protein, low-carb snacks, of course protein is a must. It's known to have a significant impact on satiety, meaning it helps you feel full and satisfied after eating. When you consume protein-rich snacks, your body releases hormones like cholecystokinin, CCKK, and peptide YY, PYY, which signal to your brain that you are full. This helps reduce cravings and prevent overeating between meals, making it easier to stick to your calorie goals. And as you may know, snacking between meals from habit or cravings is one of the primary reasons for long-term weight gain. Carbohydrates, especially refined carbs, can cause rapid spikes and drops in blood sugar levels and should be avoided or greatly reduced. Here is a list of some items that you might have thought were good for a high-protein, low-carb snack, but they really can affect your weight loss negatively. Here are 5 high-calorie drinks and snack foods. Trail mix. A handful of trail mix, especially those with nuts, dried fruit, and chocolate chips, can add a significant calorie boost, so much so that it becomes a negative factor to your weight loss goals. Granola. High in calories due to nuts, seeds, and often other added sweeteners, granola is a popular and convenient option. However, because some bars are full of sugar from chocolate and other ingredients, it makes some granola bars as high in calories as a regular chocolate bar and should be avoided as a snack. Even the very popular fruit smoothies, especially those with added ingredients like nut butters, protein powder, or avocado, can be very calorie-dense. Let's look at avocado toast. While healthy, avocado is high in calories. Toasted bread with mashed avocado and toppings like cheese or eggs can be a calorie-dense snack and may not be the best choice for a snack. Cheese. Many cheeses, particularly those like brie, cheddar, and blue cheese, are relatively high in calories. These fluctuations can lead to energy crashes, increased cravings, and ultimately, weight gain. So it's a good idea to choose other snack foods that actually help burn calories and improve your weight management. Stay tuned as we have a great list of them coming up. So did any of these negative snacks surprise you? Please let us know in the comments, and while you're in there, let us know your hometown. We'd love to hear from you. And stay tuned, we have a couple more food facts you want to hear about because it will help speed up your calorie burn, so keep watching till the end. Now looking at actual high-protein, low-carb snacks. They help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing energy dips, and keeping you feeling satisfied throughout the day. When you're trying to lose weight, it's crucial to preserve lean muscle mass. Muscle burns more calories at rest than fat, so maintaining muscle mass is essential for boosting your metabolism and ensuring that you're burning more calories throughout the day. Protein plays a vital role in muscle protein synthesis, helping to repair and rebuild muscle tissue. By including high-protein snacks in your diet, you can support muscle mass preservation and prevent the metabolic slowdown that often accompanies weight loss. The thermic effect of food, or TEF, refers to the amount of energy your body expends to digest and process food. Protein has a higher TEF than carbohydrates or fats, meaning your body burns more calories to digest protein. Incorporating high-protein snacks throughout the day can give your metabolism a slight boost. And if you are, let's say a woman in your 30s or over age 40, then you probably want to use every advantage available. By combining a high-protein diet with regular exercise, you can improve your body composition by increasing lean muscle mass and reducing body fat percentage. If you're getting value from this content, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful health and fitness tips. Choosing the right high-protein, low-carb snacks is essential for maintaining energy and supporting your fitness goals. As promised, here is a good list of foods to target as snacks. Eat the foods you like and skip the ones you don't to make it simple, easy, and an eating plan you can do long-term. After this list, stick around for a great free bonus that will help you reduce calories and help flatten your stomach. It's coming up shortly. For now, know that you should prioritize whole foods by opting for natural sources of protein like eggs, Greek yogurt, nuts, seeds, and lean meats. It's important to limit processed foods, so avoid protein bars and snacks that are high in sugar, artificial sweeteners, and unhealthy fats. You know, like the granola bars we talked about earlier. Not all granola bars are made equal, so check the label before you buy. In fact, it's always a good idea to read nutrition labels carefully. Look for snacks that are low in carbohydrates, high in protein, and contain minimal added sugars. And, experiment and find what you enjoy. The key to successful snacking is to choose options that you find satisfying and enjoyable. Here's what you've waited for. Here are some examples of high-protein, low-carb snack ideas. Hard-boiled eggs, Greek yogurt with berries and nuts, cottage cheese with a sprinkle of herbs and spices, beef jerky. Just make sure to choose varieties with minimal added sugar and sodium. Tuna or salmon in water, packed in single-serve pouches, is also a great option. You might like edamame, whether roasted or boiled mixed nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds. Hard-boiled eggs with avocado slices are delicious too. Cheese sticks, especially hard cheeses like cheddar or Parmesan, make for a tasty snack. And don't forget about protein shakes made with protein powder and unsweetened milk or water. Thanks for staying to the end. As a special bonus, you get a copy of our Mythbusters Do It the Right Way manual that will show you some little-known methods that will help you accelerate your weight loss. I know you'll get a ton of value from this manual, so make sure you click the link in the description below and pick up your free copy. If you got value from this video and would like to help us spread our content to others who can benefit from this knowledge, then take a second to click the like and hit the subscribe button now. We would love to have you a part of the family, and thank you for helping our channel grow. Okay, I have another great video I know will help you burn more calories and shrink your belly. It's ready for you on the screen now. I will see you there.